Welcome to our conversation today. We'll be discussing the use of protective masks in occupational safety. Protective masks shield against various risk factors. These include harmful airborne particles, chemical substances, and microorganisms. Masks are favored across various sectors. These include construction and building industry, chemical industry, healthcare sector, food industry, and agriculture and food processing. There are many types of masks based on their usage areas, including surgical masks, respirators and gas masks, dust masks, and filtering face piece particles masks. Proper mask usage is crucial for effectiveness. Masks should be changed and cleaned frequently. Non-usage of masks comes with risks. These include respiratory infections and exposure to chemical substances. Disposable masks should be disposed of properly. These disposable masks should be discarded in an appropriate trash bin after use. Some protective masks can be reused. Reusable masks should be cleaned and disinfected to reduce the risk of contamination. In conclusion, the use of protective masks in occupational safety is crucial for preserving the health of workers and minimizing potential risks in the workplace. Proper mask selection, usage, and maintenance are essential elements of a successful occupational safety strategy. Remember, correctly wearing a mask not only protects you but also safeguards the health of those around you. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. For more safety tips, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.